Most companies get AI backwards. They ask, what should we do with AI? Instead of asking, what business problems are we trying to solve? Let's take a look at these two approaches and see how one way is much more expensive than the other way. You have two basic paths. The first path is AI first. To use case, and then to who knows what. It might be a prototype, and it's only very lucky if it actually goes to production. The other path begins with the business problem, goes to the right solution, and ends in return on investment. Let's take a look at an example and compare these two approaches. Let's say that your customer support staff is totally drowning. They're getting 500 tickets per day. The response time is 48 hours, and your customers are frustrated. The way that it impacts the business is the following. You're spending 200K per year in overtime. Your customer satisfaction score is at 65%, and agent burnout is high. So someone says, hey, let's build a chatbot, right? Well, let's take a look at that solution. The cost is 50K to set up and 10K per month in maintenance and support. The result with this solution is that it covers only 20% of the tickets. The problem with that is that you still have 400 tickets left. Let's look at the other way. This way is starting with the business problem and begins with a goal. And the goal is to increase the CSAT to 85%. Solid goal. Next, take a look at the data. The data is showing that 80% of the tickets are either password reset or order status. All right. So next, we develop our problem statement. And that is agents are spending a lot of time on repetitive tasks. So the value that we can get is by automating routine tasks and route more complex issues to agents. solution that we land on based on those goals, that data, the problem statement, and value is a self-service portal plus smart routing. What this solution costs and results in. The self-service portal is $15K. Smart routing is $10K. And the agent's dashboard is $5K. The results from this solution are that we're spending only $30K instead of $50 with the chatbot, and our ticket volume is reduced by 70%, and agent satisfaction is up by 40%. This is the way to solve technology issues and the way to solve for what to do with AI. Start with the business problems first. If you're sick of chasing AI hype, please let me know, and I can talk to you about an AI adoption workshop in which we start with the problem first. Thank you.